tired of your old crappy seasoning containers? Yes, me too. That's why I'm here to introduce the new product. The new seasoning bottles. Yes, it is strongly suggested by me and it's pretty cute as well, and it will be elegant in your kitchen and will be a strong weapon in your food armory as well. And also, did I mention it has a cute spoon if you pop it out like that? Yes. And it's pretty cute as well, and you can scoop any seasoning, and yes, that's what you do. And also, let's be real, who needs your old bottles? You can just dump it in the trash. Yes, just get rid of your old bottles and introducing the new seasoning bottles. I strongly suggest it. So yes, you'll be as happy as me. Look at me, I'm just so happy.